everyone, welcome to my channel, Simply Miss Sarah, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 reasons that you need a bidet. If you haven't seen my other videos about bidets, the first one is about my Luxe Neo 320. I will link that up here in the cards. And the other video I did was a follow-up to that of answering questions about my Luxe bidet, and I will also link that up above. But let's get into the 5 reasons. Reason number 1 is a bidet using water leaves you cleaner than using toilet paper. Toilet paper leaves a residue on your skin, whereas a bidet with water will leave your skin fresh and clean. And I understand that you will have a wet bottom after you're done, but you can pair it with a washcloth, or you can also get a bidet that includes an air dryer. I don't have one of those, but you could get one. I will link one of the bidets that I found in the description below that includes a nice bum dryer. Reason number 2 is not using toilet paper is better for the environment. Americans use 3 million tons of toilet paper every year. That's 54 million trees that go to waste. Not to mention the water that goes into manufacturing the toilet paper is astronomical. So why don't we just skip a step and use the water that would be used to make toilet paper and just use it to clean our bums? Reason number 3 is it can save you money. If you buy a bidet, you don't have to buy as much toilet paper, and even if you are using toilet paper, it will only be a small amount, or like me, you could use a cloth alternative. But either way, not having to buy as much toilet paper in the long run will save you money. Reason number 4 is it provides much better skin care and it's much more comfortable. A lot of skin irritation can be solved by just applying warm water to the area. And warm water can also be soothing for conditions like hemorrhoids and other conditions of those areas. Also, a lot of Americans have problems with anal itching. This can be solved by using water instead of paper, which, as I've said, leaves a residue on your backside. Also, for people who are disabled or have physical limitations, using a bidet which doesn't require you to have to turn and reach your backside could be a great alternative to having to wipe. And our 5th and last reason why you should get a bidet is it can prevent plumbing issues. Using so much toilet paper can easily clog the sewer lines in your sewer system, which then would require you to call a plumber, which can be very expensive and a lot of hassle. So by using a bidet and so much less toilet paper or no toilet paper at all, you could really prevent having plumbing issues. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you consider getting a bidet not only for your health and comfort, but also for the environment. I will link the bidet that I use down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos by me, Simply Miss Sarah, and I hope to see you guys soon.